And welcome to the super fun, awesome, happy time. Is that an owl in your barn? Pedal show. My name is Gabor.
Hey, welcome along. I'm Alex. We're going to check out this reverb from Caline today. Please hit like and subscribe on the channel. Give us a thumbs up. Ding the bell. Comments, questions below.
Yes.
So the Barn Owl Reverb.
Yes.
From Caline.
Yes. G series.
It has an owl on it, so you know it's legit. Extra owly goodness.
Yeah. Why not?
What's not to love? So to hear this thing, we're going through a Mozztronics Amp Switcher, Cherry Tone OTS MIDI 20 head, and a 2-note Torpedo Captor X for cab sims.
Yes. Any reverb you hear comes from the reverb pedal.
Obviously.
Yeah. So it's basically it can go from quite a subtle reverb to quite a big sort of ambient sort of thing.
I'd say it falls in maybe like the hall type style of reverb.
Yeah, somewhere between hall and plate.
Barnish.
Barn, yeah.
Barnish.
Barn reverb. 3 simple controls. You've got decay, tone, and mix. Cool. Now, mix goes from all dry to about maybe 50-50 kind of thing. Doesn't go all wet. And then decay goes from a short decay to a long decay, and tone goes, so you can darken it if you want it to sit sort of more in the background, or brighten it up if you want it more in the foreground. So cool. Should we just have a listen?
Jump in. Deep end. Dry tone.
Almost has a little shimmery things at the top.
Slightly, yeah.
When you turn the tone up a bit. So it goes from a quite very room sound. Like if you turn this all the way down and turn the brightness up a bit. Definitely like a hallish kind of, yeah. And then if you go, let's go about halfway up, and then just to the tone a bit. So this is totally dark. It's cool because if you set the tone lower a bit, you can have quite a big reverb, and you can have it quite heavy in the mix, but it just doesn't get in the way. It sort of sits in the back.
It's a nice feature.
So, like, even just have it, reverb up there somewhere with the mix,
fairly healthy. Yeah.
1:30, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock.
1:30.
1:30, 1:25.
Oh yeah, okay.
But darkening it it's sort of, you don't have this massive reverb just to sort of hit you in the face.
Less distracting, maybe.
Yeah. Let me have a go. Sure. Okay, so this is my PartsMaster Caster Blaster. Master Caster Blaster. There's a video for it here. Some fantastic Martin Smith pickups, Maker guitar neck, Justin Hermes pickguard, all the shebang. Watch the video and then you know all about it. And let's go on a neck, and an E chord sounds like this.
No tails.
No tails. Now let's try that. We've got a drive. This is like a rat style. This is the Berry Pedals PHAT, which you can watch the video for it here. In front of it, which on its own sounds like that. Give me like lots of reverb. It does the shoegazy thing.
It does.
Not that I really know what shoegazy really is, but that's that lots of reverb kind of thing.
Really like footwear. So, just out of curiosity, we'll do like I'm just not going to do like obviously the spring thing, but can we make it like?
Well, it's got that
Almost
little bit of pre-delay, so it's got almost like a little slapbacky kind of.
Yeah. That's kind of a thing. That's a vibe.
It's quite a versatile pedal. So I mean, from
think?
more of a kind of almost that has that a little bit of slapback thing because of the pre-delay, to massive shoegazy, almost infinite. Well, not quite infinite, but you know,
Larger than
larger than
most barns.
it's definitely finite.
Not infinite.
Not infinite. It's a big barn
Yeah.
with a big owl.
Yeah,
Or it could be a really little owl. I don't know if the owl is really big or really little, but it's a big barn, that's for sure.
It's about that big.
Is it? Yeah.
So, what do you guys think?
Yeah.
Do you dig the owl thing? Barn owl. Do you like the barn owl?
Yes.
It's pretty cool.
All up, I gotta say, the G series, well-made pedals, feel sturdy. The pots feel nice. The switch is the silent switch. Feels nice too. I think from memory, all the digital pedals like this one, $79
Sure.
US at the time of filming anyway. So definitely an affordable pedal.
I think it has. It's not like the every reverb for every man, but
No.
it has a personality. Does it well.
Yeah.
That slightly ambient big hall thing.
Yeah.
So if that's what you're after.
To me, I think it that's sort of where it shines. I mean, it can do the stuff you were doing at the end with
Yeah, slightly roomy.
slightly roomy thing, but I think it sort of. It has a little grrr.
Like a tiled
Yeah.
room. Yeah.
Tiled room, yeah. Bathroom.
No, it's like the tile rooms on like old lexicons and stuff had that.
Oh, that little grrr.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
It's actually a thing I wasn't.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, people used to put amps and stuff into bathrooms and
Exactly.
bathtubs to get
Yeah,
that
yeah.
kind of sound back in the
There you
day.
go.
So yeah, let us know what your thoughts are. Big thank you to the good folks at Caline. Should have mentioned this at the start. Really, this was sent to us by Caline. And I'm going to put a playlist of all the Caline stuff at the end of this video, right at the end.
I reckon this is getting close to the end. Please hit like and subscribe on the channel again. Think of us a thumbs up, comments, questions below, links
Yep.
below to Facebook, Instagram, podcast, all that stuff. Thanks for hanging.
Playlist.
Been fun. See ya.
Bye.